How I'd build a tax-free empire in 2026, step by step, legally. 2026 is the year everything changes. Governments are broke, taxes are rising, inflation quietly eats away at your savings, while politicians tell you everything is fine. But here's the truth. The global elite are already protecting themselves, and you can too. Because today, I'm revealing exactly how I'd build a tax-free, legally bulletproof global empire in 2026, step by step. No scams, no loopholes, no illegal tricks. Just strategy, law, and precision, used exactly the way the wealthy do. Grab your notebook, because this could be the single most important video you watch all year. Step 1. Define your mission and guardrails. Before you set up a single company, open a bank account, or apply for a new passport, you need clarity. Your mission defines your guardrails, the red lines you never cross. If your goal is to pay zero tax, it must still be 100% legal and defensible under international law. The wealthy don't hide money, they structure it. They move from income to assets, from work to ownership. Step 2. Choose your freedom flag. In 2026, the most valuable passport isn't the one you're born with. It's the one you strategically acquire. Countries like the UAE, Monaco, Panama, and Portugal offer unique advantages for investors and entrepreneurs. For zero income tax, UAE or Monaco. For territorial systems, Panama, Thailand, or Malaysia. For lifestyle, Portugal or Malta. Your freedom flag is your foundation of mobility and protection. Step 3. Build your offshore foundation. The ultra-wealthy operate through companies, not personal accounts. Use this structure. 1. A holding company, Dubai, Singapore, or Hong Kong. 2. Operating companies, where your actual business happens. 3. A trust or foundation, for wealth and legacy protection. This tri-layer system is the blueprint of financial empires. Step 4. Multi-currency banking and payment rails. Never depend on one bank or one system. In 2026, use platforms like Wise, Revolut, and Mercury for USD, EUR, and crypto. One account in your main jurisdiction. One backup in a neutral country. One digital wallet for global access. This is your financial oxygen. Redundancy equals security. Step 5. Separate yourself from your money. Your money doesn't need to be yours. It can belong to your trust, foundation, or holding company, while you control it legally as a director or beneficiary. It's not hiding, it's smart architecture. This legal distance creates asset protection and peace of mind. Step 6. Go borderless with digital residency. By 2026, countries like Estonia, Lithuania, and Dubai let you run a company fully online. You can register remotely, sign contracts digitally, minus access global payment systems. E-residency means your business has no borders, only opportunities. Step 7. Own assets. Governments can't inflate. Inflation is the invisible tax. Protect yourself with 30% gold and silver, stored offshore, 30% productive assets, real estate, farmland, stocks, 30% digital assets, Bitcoin, tokenized commodities, 10% cash stablecoins for liquidity. Wealth isn't what you earn, it's what you keep. Step 8. Create offshore income streams. Earn globally, not locally. Focus on consulting, online business, and royalties, minus global YouTube or media income, affiliate or dividend income. Make sure your structure has real substance, contracts, invoices, and legitimate offshore operations. Step 9. Build your global network of professionals. No empire is built alone. Hire a tax strategist, a corporate lawyer, a trustee, a private banker. You're the architect. They are your builders. Step 10. Build the lifestyle that matches your structure. Freedom is not just legal, it's psychological. Live borderless. Half the year in Dubai, months in Portugal, travel in Asia. Work online, earn globally, and keep your wealth. That's how modern freedom looks. Bonus step. Build legacy wealth. A foundation or trust ensures your wealth outlives you. Your company pays dividends to your foundation. It reinvests, funds your family's needs, and continues growing tax-free. That's generational power. Mindset shift. From worker to sovereign. Stop being the taxpayer. Start being the architect. The system rewards those who understand it, not those who obey it. Final words. By 2026, inflation, taxation, and surveillance will crush the uninformed. But those who prepare now will thrive. You don't need to be rich to start. You need to start to become rich. Build smart, build legally, build globally. Because the new world isn't coming, it's already here. This is how I'd build my tax-free empire in 2026, step by step. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with friends and family, and subscribe for more deep dives into the hidden risks shaping our financial future. This is Felix. See you next time.